In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view in browser link in Mailchimp. If you want to give your subscribers an easy way to open your email in a web browser, Mailchimp makes that possible with a simple link placed inside your email design. This is especially helpful for people whose email app doesn't display the message correctly, or for anyone who prefers reading emails in a browser window instead. To begin, open your email design in the Mailchimp campaign builder. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top area of your email template, because that's usually the best place for a view in browser link. Placing it near the top makes it easier for readers to find right away before they start scrolling through the rest of the message. Next, drag a paragraph block or a text block into the top section of your email. Either one will work for this, so just use the option that fits best with your layout. After that, type the text you want your audience to see. A common example is "View this email in your browser." Keep the wording clear and simple so readers immediately understand what the link does. Once your text is in place, highlight the words you just typed. With the text selected, click the link button, which usually looks like a chain icon, or use the link option in the editing toolbar if that's what appears in your version of the builder. This opens the link settings, where you can assign a destination to the text. In the URL field, paste the merge tag *archive*. This tag tells Mailchimp to automatically generate a browser-based version of the email when the campaign is sent. Be careful to enter it exactly as shown, because even a small typo can prevent the link from working properly. After that, save the link. It's a good idea to quickly review the text to make sure it still looks the way you want and that the link has been applied correctly. Then preview your campaign and test the link. When you click it in preview or in a test send, it should open the web version of the email correctly. Testing this step is important, because it helps you catch formatting or linking issues before your subscribers ever receive the campaign. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.